Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. We got Matt's car over there, my car, Tao's car, and then we got Ian's car over there. There you go. So Matt is working on Bashbars for S15. Oh, this is Tao's car. This 2000. I'm pretty sure everybody knows about it. I'm gonna be putting coils today to the S2000. It's running lower in springs, right?
What happened?
Is it running? It's running lower in springs, right?
On the S1000?
Yeah.
No, it's actually a very first set of BCs on it. So when we looked at it, we're like, when we saw the stickers on it, we're like, what in the world?
So let's not hate on BCs, but
I think it might be first gen. It might be like super first gen. So nothing but love for BC for sure.
So Matt picked up this Fortunatos thanks to Rene. He found it on OfferUp, right?
Dude, we find over in California, we find so many like bomb deals on OfferUp for sure.
So they kind of look, pretty much look brand new, right?
Yeah, actually, the center set here is already got service, and you can actually tell they look like they recently all got service, so definitely a plus for that one. Dude, I'm loving these things. As a matter of fact, I'm actually installing a set of these right now on my rears, and you can see how low they go. So let me show you that right now.
So we got here Rene's car.
So this is
getting the car ready.
This can actually go a lot lower still, but you can see I'm full extended. So it's
Damn.
So I'm definitely gonna have to raise it a little bit.
Yeah.
Until I find out like how much I compress inward, and then I'll fine adjust it from there. But I'm liking the look for it.
We got Matt been working on the 3D printed this canards. Nice little logo. Bring it over here. There you go. Can you hold it?
Oh, this bad boy? Want me to install this?
There you go.
Look at this hand model.
Look at it. Oh, there it is. Focus now. Nice little finish touch over here. It's pretty cool. This is all 3D printed with their big machine. Took a couple, what was it, a day? A couple hours maybe?
A couple hours to print out this bad boy. Actually, the cool thing with this one too is since most people mount it on their D-Max Type 3 front, and it has a natural little front arrow. This most of the times the aftermarket ones cover that up, so we wanted to
kind of flares out this one, so kind of like it's so unique on its own.
Yeah, let me show you what it looks like installed. No natural flare. Most flat ones just like fully cover that up, so we wanted to keep that incorporated with it.
So it looks, look at that fitment. I'd say he still needs to do a couple touches here and there because it's a 3D mold, so nothing's like flush. Yeah, but I mean so far I think it's good.
I just mounted that backwards.
And we got Matt over here. Matt's in the house.
Let's see what it looks like on the rear. Will it work? Will it work?
Will it blend?
Will it blend? That's kind of cool.
Really cool going reverse or what?
That's interesting.
Yeah, put it all over the place.
Just to give it ideas, you know?
Dude, can you compare that wheel truth though?
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that, that's huge.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Like that shit looks pretty hard.
It's well too.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
So here we're gonna test it on the Tao's car.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna test it on the Tesla.
Yeah.
Test on all the dailies.
On that
You can test it
truck.
on your car too, man.
Actually, I was gonna ask you, is it easy to take yours off?
It's got like 4 screws in the bottom, so we'll probably pull it out.
Okay, we can do that later. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. That's you.
A little tiny one over here. Got the big one.
No, it would work, Kevin. Like looking at it from the bottom, from the
I'll
top.
probably fit.
It would
I
work.
flow with it. Anne's car looks pretty cool. Then we got all the cars over here.
Yeah, so the Bashbar prototype should be done today too, so we'll test fit that today.
Nice.
Let's see.
Pretty good. I mean, it flows with it. It looks
Close, huh?
It looks aggressive. The little tiny little intercooler.
But he says it's bigger than it looks.
Maybe from the side, right? That looks pretty nice. Alright guys, while Matt is working on the Bashbar, Rene's playing with his car over here. Well, I'm gonna be taking the OEM Bashbar out, or crash bar, whatever you want to call it, and then take those tow hooks so we can take it out. And then once Matt is finished welding the whole Bashbar, we're gonna put it on and test it out so it fits within the cooler and then with the front bumper. think so far, Matt?
So far so good. Honestly, like this is a pretty cool mounting plate. I like that it ties into the face and then also the OEM tow hook points.
This is the first one.
First
we're making,
one,
right?
yeah. Gonna use this to fine tune the fitment of everything and see where we're at.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take Dan's car to a little spot to take some pictures.
How does this work?
I think
Oh, there we go.
you just leave it like that. Just act like it's not his job.
I just wanted to feel like I was in a race car for once. But for real, how does this work?
What do you think about that Miata Power?
Dude, I like it.
Like
I
it?
like it. I just don't like how small the car is, but
Yeah,
overall I like it. Like I feel like I barely fit in here. You know, like I could.
Fitment is pretty tight.
And if I was any taller, I'd be above the window. But I like it, man. I think it's a cool car. It sounds good too.
Sounds pretty nice.
The
Yeah,
ISR turbo kit, HKS.
Might get the Bashbar finally tech welded.
Ooh.
So we're gonna go.
First ever.
So what they do?
First
Like
time.
Yeah.
So all the joints are pretty much ready.
They're just tack welded.
Yeah.
Tag welding.
Yeah.
This is cool though.
Just to confirm fit up, but
I'm liking the size of it all. Yo, I think it's actually gonna clear his front mount intercooler too.
yeah, it will.
Hell yeah, this is gonna be cool.
It'll clear. We just need to cut this piece off right here. It's just like a tiny little piece of the factory sheet metal.
Yeah.
No biggie.
Let me bring my my cutting saw and then
Yeah.
you could ask him.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, it's hidden. Partially hidden.
It's bigger than that intercooler.
Can get rid of this booty thing.
Yeah, dude. Look at that. I can actually get towed off track if I fuck up. I had this problem with the S14 this year. I didn't have any tow hooks, and I had to hold a ratchet strap around my arm. I was like, we'll go through the bumper, and I was like, no.
Yeah.
No. And so I wrapped it around my arm, and he just like towed me off. But it was so much further than I thought. I was like, I can't hold this anymore. But I can't communicate with that guy either. I was like, if I let go, I'm gonna fuck my car up.
What do you think, man? What do you think on your work?
I think I did a pretty good job. Everything bolted up just fine. There's just 2 holes that I need to revise
Yeah.
out of 12. So that's pretty
Yeah,
good.
but overall, like the whole entire
Overall,
Bashbar
it looks amazing. Let's see what it looks like.
with the bumper on.
Bumper on.
The boomerang.
Oh, let's go even lower. This one would be on the fucking ground.
Little cycle noise.
Yeah. If this was even, it would look sick.
Fitment looks pretty cool
If the
though.
bumper didn't swoop up.
Yeah.
Bumper kicks up, huh?
Yeah, it does.
For clearance or what? Like on a driveway? Tilted inward now.
It doesn't work. I know that. When I put
Money
Did it,
shot.
Kevin. We did it.
Money shot.
We did it.
It's pretty cool. What do you think?
I don't know. I think this is
try harder.
Try hard. Alright guys, this is the next day. Ramon is welding the Bashbar now for the Miata. We got Renee over here
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome.
doing
Doing some bendy stuff.
some bendies.
Yeah, we're actually about to make this really cool S chassis seat bracket. It is somewhere under this cool pile of metal.
We got this little chassis, was it mounts right here?
Yeah, all the type in ways. We're about to get them ready to get fully welded up. So you'll see like 60 of them pretty soon.
Nice, sweet. Let's go over here. This guy's playing around. Alright, he's been knocking a bunch of bars down here. bunch of bars. And then here's the
break rules. Oh, I got a little dizzy.
here's the Bashbar, the one
New invention.
the one Miata, the one Matt's been working on.
We added a jack point to it, so this is relatively new. It should be fun.
So the Roman's gonna be welding. Everything is tack welded for now, because we're testing on the Dan's car. So he's gonna finish it welding, and then we're gonna be testing on Renee's car too. If it fits. So I'm gonna let you do your job.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Alright, we're back in the welding department, and we got Ramon here.
Just got done welding this Miata front Bashbar jack point.
Look at that.
This is a very different design. It was new. It was fun to weld. I like the design though.
Look at them welds. Look at them dimes, right?
Prime dimes.
Prime dimes. Alright guys, it's another day. We got Dan's Miata over here, just chilling in the shipping department. So let's see what Matt is doing. UPS.
What's up,
What's up, Matt? What are you working on today?
I'm just finalizing the design for the S15 using Iat's car. So this is what the bar looks like so far. So I already finished making all the laser files, so I'm going to send them over to Renee so he can cut those out.
Yeah.
Check this out. This is the final version of the NA NB front bash bar. And one thing I did want to show you, which I think is really, really cool, is everything ties into the factory tow hook mounting points right here. And then this would be optional if the customer wants to run a toe tab that fits between the bumper, OE bumper, and aftermarket bumper. It still comes out in the same original spots. This is my favorite bash bar so far.
I think it looks pretty good. I think all the bash bars look pretty nice.
Yeah, but this one just like the cherry on
This
top.
is like the Terminator bash bar.
It's really clean. I like that it has these mounted, like it's built into it, you know?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. On the next vlog, we'll be doing Iat's S15 rear bash bar.